welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my third video on Torn network and how to work on the Torn network and creating your own decentralized application. This video has been very much requested, and thank you for showing your love for the previous video. So many people have asked that how we are going to send transaction on the Torn network. So I've created a small application to showcase that how we can do that. And let me start with that. So you can see that this is a small application that I've created in our previous video. So I'll continue with this. I'm gonna connect this wallet with my Tone Keeper. And you can see that my Tone Keeper is here. This is the address, and the same has been connected, and this is the balance that I have. This is a small form where I will enter the address. So this is another address I have taken, and this is just to showcase how we can send tons. So we'll send the 0.1, and you can see here in the transaction we can see that we're able to send this. And if we look this in the Explorer, we will be able to, this is in the pending transaction mode. So I'm going to go here. You can see that my balance has already been reduced from 1.98 since we transferred 0.1. So now it's 1.8, and you can see that this transaction appears where it says sent on minus 0.1. So that's how we did it. I'm going to show you the code behind it so that you can replicate and create such application yourself. So first of all, these are some packages that you need to install. I'll just explain what these do. So this one is for basically work as an RPC provider. It provides RPC for connecting with the Torn using your React application. This is again an SDK by Torn. These are the application that you can say these are dApp dependencies. So these are required for these two. So in overall these things we need to install. Apart from that, we already have other things installed, like the Torn Connect UI React, which is the main package for sending the transaction. So now how we did that? So in the we created a small component deploy, and you can see that we have created a small function like a small form. One is to set the receiver address, one is to set the amount, and then a button which has this on click function attached, which calls this function. And inside this function we create a transaction object. The transaction object consists of these are the arrays. So basically all the messages you can just stack it up like this. You can copy multiple. So if you want to send multiple to multiple address also, you can do that. Like you can change this address and the amount, and then you can in the same transaction you can send different amount to different addresses. So that is one good thing. And then this object is passed to a method from Torn Connect. So now what's the Torn Connect? So Torn Connect is nothing but a hook imported from the Torn Connect UI React. And you can see I've used 2 nano is an util function. It converts the whole Torn to nano. So this is the main function which invokes the transaction. So you can see that how we are doing it. Let's do it from the beginning. Okay, so considering that we have installed it and we have already called the function. So send function is there. Now we are going to create a. Let's do one thing first. Let's try. Let's put it in try catch block. Okay. Alright, so as I said that we have to create a transaction body. So how does the transaction body look like? So transaction body look like uh, an array of messages. Sorry, yeah. And this goes like this. Okay, so now this is the array and we have this object, an empty object. We will add two things here. One is address, which is the receiver address. In this case we have a state variable for receiver address. Then we go to amount and we use 2 nano, 2 nano, and we pass the amount here, and just to be sure we just convert it into the string. So that's how our transaction object is created. After that we call this function from town connect that we have imported. There is a send transaction method and we pass this transaction to that. And is we're gonna do is and after that it should be done. So now I'm gonna just copy this so that I don't have to do it again. So as soon as now we have 1.8, we are gonna send another 0.1 to this address and call this function, and this will invoke this and will confirm. That's it. That's how simple it is to send TON on using TON Connect UI React. Very easy. And the same can be verified here. You can see we had one transaction 6 minutes ago. We'll have another transaction just right here coming up in the pending state. 0.1, the balance has already been reduced to 1.7 from 1.8. So that verifies our code works. So that was it. That's how we do it. I hope it will help you guys to continue. Let me know what else you need me to make video of regarding any other thing on the blockchain, maybe on Tron or Tom or anything related to the EVM. I'll be happy to help you guys. Thank you. Bye.